Hello guys, this is Kingsley from Smoq Dev. On your screen is the app bar that we're going to be building today. So this is the WhatsApp style of app bar, and we're going to be replicating what you see on your screen right now. So this is a clean Flutter project, and ordinarily the theme will be light. So I'll just remove it so that you see how it would look if you just open up a new Flutter project. So I've cleaned up a lot of codes on this one because of this project. So I'll just change the theme to dark because I like dark theme. It's a light theme and it will still be the same. So the first thing there is to add the app bar, of course, because we're going to make the app bar to look like WhatsApp. So the app bar takes a lot of children or a lot of parameters. Takes the title as the title. So normally if you have watched my previous videos, you would see that I always put a text as a title, but in this case we are going to put a menu button. And now you're wondering why I'm putting a container there. You will know in a bit now, because I'll need to change the color of the background, so I need this container. But the main thing here is this icon button. This icon button will make you to be, or your user to be able to click on the icons, and you implement the icon logic on the onPress parameter or on the onPress property of the widget. So the icon that we're going to use is this more horizon, because that's what WhatsApp is using as well. Now I'm going to add this padding. I'm going to reset the padding to 0 so that I'll be able to center the icon inside that container without altering, because if I change the size of the icon, it will alter the alignment of the icon button in the container. So that's why I have to 0 the padding. So with that, I'm going to add a color to this container so that it will pop the background of this. So this 255 is a white color, so with an opacity of 0.1. that's transparent, almost transparent. So the opacity ranges from 0.1 to 1, where 0 is fully transparent. Okay, so guys, if you have been following up till now and you have any problem, make sure to drop into the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Hello guys, this is Kingsley from Smoq Dev. On your screen is the app bar that we're going to be building today. So this is the WhatsApp style of app bar, and right of your app bar we use the actions property. So inside the actions property, if you look at your WhatsApp, you see that there are 2 buttons there. So we're going to add 2 containers and the icon button inside, just like we did in the title of this app bar. So with that, we're going to do exactly the same thing. So 255 0.1, and the child is also going to be an action. You can see the container, but it's empty for now. Border radius 20. You might be wondering how I come up with all these numbers. It's because I've already done this before, and I see that was the numbers that came out best for me. So you can try out different numbers for your font sizes and your container height and width. So now we have a camera. Now we're just going to duplicate this container. So yeah, now you can see why I had to add 0 that padding, because this camera icon, you see it was aligned to the bottom left, but because of that zeroing, it came to the center. So now to put a gap between these 2 containers, I'm going to use a size box with a width of 10. So, and I'm also going to change the icon to add as well. Now for the color, in WhatsApp it's green, so I'm going to change it to green. And before that, I'm going to add a small margin or a small gap to the right. And fellas, when you want to add a gap in between widgets, you can use the sized box, or you can use the margin if it's a container. Like I could have just added margin to this container, it will work the same. So I've changed the color of the icon to black. Now you have successfully coded up a WhatsApp style app bar. But if you want to take it even further, which I'm just going to show you a step, just one step further, I'm going to add the chat text there, which I won't go far because this tutorial is focused on tab bars, but it's just good to know that you can take it a step further. Add the text, align it with a padding, then change the size again, And yeah, this is it, guys. Please, so to make it fully functional, you can also add these navigators as the on-press logic. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Kingsley from Smoq Dev. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.